How's it going, guys? Today I replaced the battery on my 2019 F150 5.0. This is the factory battery that came with my vehicle. It's a size H6 group, 36-month warranty, 760 cold cranking amps, and it cost $234 to replace. Now, it lasted me a long time, 5.5 going on 6 years. So it was a good battery. But if you want to replace it with the aftermarket one, a little cheaper, this is what they tell you to get right here. This is the same size, same cold cranking amp, 760, size H6, and it's about $180. And this one does come with a 4-year warranty. Now, if you want to upgrade your battery to something a little bit better, and if you're not sure if it fits or not, what does fit as well is the H8 size class group. This is the H8. Now this one has 900 cold cranking amps, still the 4-year warranty, and it will fit in your F150. Mine's a 2019, so maybe those same year models, but it could go in the other models as well. I think this is the size that the Ford Raptors come with. So the tray and the F150s do come to the size to accommodate the size of battery, the H8. Now this was the same price, $179. So why not get the bigger, better battery? Now this is the battery in the vehicle. Don't mind the dust. I live in West Texas. It's really dusty. Now as you can see, it does fit in the tray. It's the H8. The posts line up perfect right here. And as you can see here in the positive terminal, since it's pushed further to left, I did have to angle it a little bit so it fit in between these plugs. But other than that, there's no issue with size or anything like that. Bolted on just good. And there you go, guys. If you want to get a bigger, better battery for your truck, your F-150, you can go with the size group H8 if you need to, with more cold cranking amps. It has I believe it was like more, it can store more power in the battery before it drains and stuff like that. So if you're worried about it not fitting, it does fit. All right, thanks. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below, and I will get back to you on that.